Hey everyone, it's time to open up some new tie-dye. I'm really excited to see how these turned out. So let's start. First, I'm going to start with the cool color or the warm colors. Now this one is a scrunch one and I did it in some warm sort of colors that I'm seeing a lot of everywhere. They're very hot right now. Kind of 70s really. Ooh. Well, that's kind of fun. I like how it's like sort of more neutral tones and then a pop of like neon. That's pretty. This one has a lot of white on it, which can be kind of nice. Very delicate sort of scrunch pattern. Let's do the rest of the warm colors that I have here. So this is also a scrunch pattern, but I did a sort of like periwinkle color. See, I love these neutral colors with the periwinkle. I'm gonna rinse these after I'm done opening them. Okay, we're gonna do, now this is the triangle one. I might reuse these rubber bands. They're not totally destroyed. Ooh, this one's gonna be fun to watch open. Very pretty. I love this pattern. It kind of always looks like fireworks a little bit, and this palette is really fun and cool. Kind of reminds me of like West Elm or something. All right, I'm gonna put it to the side and open up our last one for the warms. Now I need scissors for this one, so hold on. So let's open it up, and I'm gonna be really careful. You guys ready? This is one of my favorite folds, especially for different colors. Ooh. Wow. It's just so pretty. That one turned out awesome. All right, I'm gonna put this one to the side. Okay, so now I have the cools, and let me show you a swatch I did of the cools before I dyed them. So here it is. This is one with not a lot of white, and then I did this one with more white and less green, so some of the green kind of got bright there, but you can also like mix it in with the gray and the blue to really kind of subdue it. Tie-dye can be kind of like watercolor, which is really fun and all about playing with the like negative space, which I think gives it like a really sophisticated look. All right, so let's do the scrunch. Ooh, here's the scrunch. Okay, so this got a fair amount of dye on it. Wow. It's kind of matching my shirt, so here. You can see. See, I like how it kind of got all these different colors in the back. It's really nice too, together, and they kind of meld together, giving it some sort of neutral colors that aren't so like bright and like traditional tie-dye. That's what I love about playing with different color palettes. So I'll put that one to the side to dry. Next, I'm gonna do my triangle. Okay, you guys ready for the moment of truth? Sorry about the construction noise. next, last but not least, I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna cut it apart. You guys ready? I am. Ooh, this one is gonna be pretty. Ooh, I love the way the colors mixed on this one. That is really nice. So you can see how the teal bleeds into the navy, and then it bleeds into the gray in a really nice subtle way, all with having quite a lot of air still. It's a really nice ratio of dye to white space, I think. So my modern tie-dye kit is available for sale on my website, and here are some of the colorways that are available. They're really fun colors. They're really on trend. It's not your typical like rainbow tie-dye kit, and I'm really excited to be offering it. It comes with a free video tutorial and 3 things to dye, but there's enough dye to do a lot more. So if you have some t-shirts or tote bags or something that you want to dye in mind, there's plenty of dye in the kit to do more than what comes in it. So go and check it out. And I also have a virtual tie-dye class coming up this spring, so that's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to go over 15 folds, and it's just going to be a really fun springy type of class. So thanks so much for watching, you guys, and go to @Onyx Studios on Instagram to follow me for more dyeing inspiration, or @Onyx Studios on Facebook. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.